Hello everyone! I am making one of the most popular chicken dish in Taiwan called 3-cup chicken, 三杯鸡. This is a popular standard dish in Taiwanese cuisine. Regardless of whether or not you've heard of it, you will definitely like it because it's just hard not to. It's just that tasty. The name refers to the recipe used to make it, a cup each of the 3 ingredients that is heart and soul for this dish. A cup of rice wine, a cup of soy sauce, and a cup of sesame oil. It is really easy recipe because everything is pretty much chop and drop, a one-pot deal that comes together in only 20 minutes. Starting by lightly marinating chicken with a cornstarch, soy sauce, and Shaoxing cooking wine, mix well and let it sit for 10 minutes. While waiting on chicken marinate for 10 minutes, let's get the rest of the ingredients ready. Here I have 1 cup of sesame oil, 1 cup of 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce mixed with soy sauce, another cup of rice wine, 8 to 10 slices of ginger, 6 to 8 garlic cloves, half red pepper or Thai chili if you like a little spicy, and Thai basil leaves is recommended, but if you don't have any, using regular basil leaves is okay as well. Heating up the pan first, then we'll add sesame oil in the pan and follow with ginger slices and garlic cloves. Let the aromatics infuse the oil for a couple of minutes, then turn up the heat to high and add the chicken to the pan all in one layer. We're going to sear the chicken until golden brown on both sides. Chicken with the bone in is preferred for this dish. This searing process also helps to evaporate extra moisture from the chicken, and the process takes about 5 to 8 minutes. I used a half chicken plus 2 chopped chicken legs, and you can use all chicken legs chopped up or chicken wings, or mix them all together. Alright, something like this is very good, close to it now, and give about another 1 to 2 minutes, then we're going to add rice wine. Let it cook for about 2 minutes after adding rice wine, and next we're going to add a soy sauce. Toss around the chicken a couple times. Make sure every piece of chicken get that beautiful dark glazed brown color from soy sauce. Next, add a handful of rock sugar or half cup of granulated sugar. Cover up, let it cook for 8 minutes on medium-high heat. After 8 minutes, add in Thai chili or red bell pepper if you prefer not too spicy. Toss around a few times, then I'm going to cover up, let it cook for remaining 5 minutes. But I'm going to turn off the heat here because I'm using cast iron pan which retains heat so well. But if you use a regular pan, you can turn your stove to medium. After 5 minutes, it's time to add basil leaves. And look at this chicken dish, still very hot and bubbly. There's really no exact amount of how much basil leaves to add in. If you like a basil flavor, add more, otherwise add less. And that's it. That's all the work to it. It smells so good here, so fragrant, and look at this beautiful color. And now we're going to enjoy with the brown rice or white rice. This dish definitely pair well with the rice. I hope you enjoy this video and give a recipe a try. You will definitely like it. Like I said, it's hard not to. It's just so tasty. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you next time.